Remaining digitally connected in these testing times of pandemic is the biggest agenda. The easiest way out is a mobile phone that keeps you digitally updated, awakened, connected and protected. Our application is available on the Google Play Store and iOS. This application gives flexibility to the doctors and patients to be in touch with each other at any time, anywhere. Doctors can create their own personal virtual office at no cost and no overhead in the Doctor Now platform. Doctor Now platform provides fighting chance and equal ground to all doctors to compete with other big corporate companies. Also, doctors can earn 5% as professional reference fees for every referral of other providers to join Doctor Now. Let us understand stepwise process of Doctor Now application. The first step is signing up. This includes filling the personal details. Contact our provider relation team for any kind of support. Log in with the user ID, email ID or mobile number that is registered with the app. Upon login, the doctors get to see home screen that has the pending requests of the patients which are to be answered. Here the doctor gets the exact information about the patient's personal information as well as the reason of his booking the appointment plus the timing and date. Under the head My Profile, the doctor has to feed all the professional information with certifications. He can also choose on which days he wants to be active for calls and home visit. Also, he needs to update his signature or initial. Information related to doctor will be available to the patients to see the doctor's credentials too. Fees availability and other information can be updated by doctor. Doctor can also track the user's address and can see estimated time from his place to user's home for home visit. From home screen location pointer, the bookings are to be taken one by one, where there will be several requests, on-call or home visits. For both the options, patient has to make the payment first and the window remains open for 30 minutes. Upon the successful payment, the doctors can take a call, whether to go for a video call or visit the patient as per the request. Once the doctor accepts the requests, the toggle changes to orange once accepted. And after members make payment, doctors will receive notification immediately for process with call or visit. Booking ongoing. Doctor can edit his past medical history, see their medical report history including hospital, specialty and previous visit documents, lab report, etc. which has been uploaded by member and submit SOAP, S subjective or chief complaint, O objective or signs and symptoms, A assessment, P planning and provide prescription and will end the booking session with his signature. Booking passed. Here he can see the ratings which he has received by the patients. Home screen. Doctor can also make himself offline by turning off the toggle on header. One of the most interesting feature added in this app is the My Earning head. It will show the exact amount the doctor gets for the patients treated by month, date and year, and a categorization of earning through home visits or calls can be clearly fetched. Doctor can invite all their current patients to visit his virtual office via all social media platforms, including WhatsApp, Facebook, text, etc. and book an appointment and also conduct the follow-up visits. Doctor can invite other doctors to sign up using their referral code and can earn 5% of referred doctors' earning. There are no limit on how many doctors you can refer or how much professional reference fees you earn, and also you will continue earning as long as referred doctors is connected with Doctor Now platform. Also, health coach or any person with pre-approval from Doctor Now will be able to register and send referral code and potentially earn 5% professional referral fees. Discount promo code. Doctors can create different discount promo code for different visit or patient. Member patient will be provided with a review and star rating. For all kind of support, or if you have more question, please contact our provider relation team at support@drnow.in. Finally, our aim is to maintain the biggest God's gift. Health through social obligation and fulfillment is a most simple, safer and secured platform through virtual efforts.